Hey guys, Game here, and I don't know if you can hear me or not, because I just want to show you. It's storming. It's really bad outside, and you might not hear me, so I'm gonna talk really loud. So you might have just saw it just now. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Sledgehammer, I believe. Yep. Sledgehammer. And yeah, let's start. There's like this thing right here. You press down. This can open. Take this. It's a Zombiestrike. It holds these bullets. It has like these things you put in here. You can do that, and then you put it over. And it's really good. It fires 3 at a time. It's, yeah, it adds tactical rail. Yeah. Of course, we're going to be test shooting it in a little bit. Yeah. The bad thing, I'm just going to do one bad thing, because, yeah, is I kind of don't like how, like it fires 3 at a time. I wish it fired like 1 at a time. I kind of like it, I kind of don't, so, yeah. And we're going to be test shooting this in like a minute or something, in a couple, I don't know. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna be test shooting Sledgehammer. Let's do this. Okay. So yeah, here's the Sledgehammer. I would highly recommend it. Great gun. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be great. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.